Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the tree cutting season or trimming season. We're trimming trees here in front of the monsoon season or storm season. So it's not going to be a mess when there is a typhoon coming through. It is blue sky today again. Beautiful. This is a weather update from Da Nang in mid-September, almost October. It is very interesting how the weather is at the moment. Actually, it's pretty nice. It is sunny and warm and beautiful on the day, then it rains in the evening, and then it stops raining, and then at nighttime it's kinda nice, great air. So, yeah, if that's the rainy season this year, or the storm season, I'll take it, guys. We're very lucky. I'm gonna check out the An Thượng 5 Street today and see what they have new here. Oh my God, look at this. A beautiful Australian man is walking in front of us. Good day, mate. Now you're on my walking video. How you doing, man?
How are you? Good to see you.
Good to see you, man. Doing a little walk and then
Coming down the lovely An Thượng 5.
An Thượng 5, yeah. It's beautiful. I'm gonna check out what's new here. There are probably new stores popping up all the time.
Yeah, down the end there's a few new things as well. So,
All right.
looking good.
Okay.
See you
Have
Sunday.
a good day. Yes, Sunday. Have a good day. All right, guys. We're starting with spas and this coffee shop. More spas. I think there are maybe 10, 15 spas in here. Also lots of apartment buildings here as well. This is gonna be renovated or something? Huh. And we have some Western food here. And I hope the Italian place is still open here. On the left. I haven't seen it open for a long time now. Not sure what's going on. We have the Gau Cafe over here, also breakfast spot. There, this should be the Italian Aglio. But what happened? Guys, do you know what happened here? Why? I still see some tables in there. Maybe they're in Italy. Maybe they are all in Italy at the moment. It's one Italian family. Lovely bloke and sister, she's cooking. So very authentic Italian food. There's some construction going on here. This is going to be a nice apartment building. And this is an apartment building already constructed. Very modern. What is this? Passion, awake your day. This will be a coffee shop, or it was a coffee shop. I'm not sure, but it looks like it's gonna get renovated too. So yeah, it's also very interesting for you gym bros here. Let's check out what kind of whey protein they have. Hello! I just want to see what kind of whey protein you have here. Awesome. Okay, guys, you have even 40 grams protein here, peanut butter chocolate. Ready to drink here, guys. Maybe they have it even in the refrigerator. We have protein bars, casein. Interesting, guys. Protein cookies. Man, I'm hungry. We have lutein, omega-3. Oh, lots of good stuff here. Enzymes, whey protein. Maybe they even have organic protein powder, plant-based, so vegan. Whoever cannot have the whey protein. Some people cannot handle it with the milk. Hydrolyzed protein from my protein. Interesting. All right, thank you so much.
Yes.
Have a good day.
Yes.
All right, guys. So if you need some more protein, the shakes are pretty interesting. Shakes are interesting. What is this here? Oh, I'm not sure what this is. I think there was a surf spot before. Tom's Pub. I think this is closed now, guys. Huh. Yeah, I think there are at least 15 spas in here. Mi Quang, Bunda Momtom. Hello. And another spa, shampoo place, a co-working space here. Co-working, they also have sauna and ice bath there with a rooftop. So you can work, do sauna, ice bath. But I'm very interested about this one. What will happen here? Because this is like also the entrance for the bar street, right? Huh. This is a sports bar. Scallywags. This is also a popular spot to live here. It's a hotel and apartment building. It's called Lang Mandi. So if you're into going out at night, you might want to be here, close to the action. You can just walk into the nightlife. But let's check out this little side street here as well, because I'm wondering if there is something new. We walked here the last time, but we're gonna go here to the left. Okay. So this is no secret bar. Come in, we are open. And the 501 bar. This is probably gonna be done in 2 weeks or something. Now let's check out what's happening in this street here. Corner pub, still open. And then we have the Oxymart and the Fune Sushi. And then we have a few bars and restaurants here. We have the Hookah Pub or something. Yep, Hookah Pub. We have some wood decor. You can hang out over there. Yeah, it's a pretty nice shawarma beer. Oh wow, there's a shawarma stand now. I think it's finally open. Something happening, you're needed inside. So I guess that's something inside, but it's closed. Maybe it's later. Oh, Black Hole Bar, what is this? Black Hole Bar. That's brand new. That's brand new, guys. And then the shawarma. Da Nang Shawarma Dinner. I gotta try it out, guys. Not today. So they have a nice meat thing here. Okay. All right, guys. And the Indian restaurant Aroma is still there. We have a Pearl Villa here. I'm wondering where you can rent those villas. Because that's clearly, it's like Airbnb or something. You can rent this villa. It's a huge villa. Might be interesting. How much it is per day. We got some apartment buildings over here. And some construction going on here too. This is also a very nice piece of land here. Not sure what's gonna happen over there in the future. They removed this whole building here. And in this little side streets, you always find some gems as well. Like this street here, it's also very interesting. Green Grotto. There's a Ban Kun sign, but no Ban Kun to be seen. Those are like private houses here. A cute doggo. Pet supply store in there. I'm not sure what this is here. Le Petit Bistrot. Sounds like a French restaurant here. But it's also closed. Maybe there's. Oh, what is this? Oh no, it's just. They're just saving. I don't know what is the purpose of that. Closing it up. Maybe noise. Oh, this here. Oh wow. Guys, look at this apartment building. Dude, how quick did they build this? I did not see this 2 months ago at all. This is crazy. This is gonna probably be done in 2 weeks. And this is gonna be a nice balcony, maybe even nice modern apartments here. Yet, you gotta be careful. There's the nightlife area. I'm not sure how loud it is, but Aqua Betty has live music, that's for sure. And it's pretty loud and long. Huh. But you might still be lucky here. that might be enough space. And then here, obviously, the bar street here. But guys, this apartment building looks interesting. Definitely gonna check it out. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe and like this video. We're back. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next one.